Hi guys, welcome to part 4 of our Bolens Husky 600 restoration. We've been having a lot of fun this week. We've been out and about. We've been to the shop blasters and powder coaters to get all of our lovely bits of tin work and wheels and engine bits all sorted and looking, well, they look like new. Here's a little short clip of what we went and done. So that was us at Bucks Engineering, good friends over there who've sorted this out for us. They've done a cracking job. It's literally like it's just come back out the factory again. I can't believe how good it looks. You wouldn't think that that wheel was fitted to a machine 57 years ago. It's crazy, great. So yeah, highly recommend the whole shop blasting, powder coating, jobby manobby. What else have we done? We have found all of the bits we need for our track rod ends. Amazingly, we had all the track rod ends we wanted in stock in our spares department. So quite happy with that. Haven't had to spend any extra money. They've been probably sitting there probably 5-6 years, so it's great news. Also, the main bearing on the main bit the other day, the wiggly bit that I said about on the old main drive shaft, that needed replacing, so we stripped that down this week. And again, we had exactly the right bearing in stock, so proper pleased. Again, no more money's had to be spent there. Other bits, got the engine cowling bits. We've got fuel tank bracket. It's all looking absolutely bob-on. The guys over at Bucks Engineering have still got all the main tin work, all the bits that are going to be gold. They're sorting them out next week, so we might have a little bit to show you, or we might wait until we start putting it back on, so it's a bit of a surprise. Make you wait a bit longer, but we'll see. What have we else done? The air filter on the engine. You know, you said in episode 3, part 3, I said about we had to lower the air filter and exhaust. I've cut, shut, welded, blobbed it back together. with the old welder up across it. That's looking pretty good, quite pleased with that. Here's a little clip of me doing some of that. We've cleaned up the gearbox some more. So the gearbox is looking pretty bang on. Here's a little clip of what I've been doing on the gearbox. With the old, lots of whizzers and wheels and wire wheels and everything. Probably spent about 3 hours in total sorting that out, so it's taken me a little bit longer than I expected. I should have probably just stripped it down and sent it off to be shot blasted after seeing how good it looks, but never mind. I've done it, put all the hours into it, but now we need to spray it. I'm pretty terrible at paint spraying. As much as I love to be good at everything, it's not my forte. Luckily, we've got a Richard, and Richard loves doing it, turning things different colours with a pot of spray. So he's been up there shaking the old cans about quite a bit, so he got a little bit excited, blobbed it all on there, and now it's looking great. So here's a little clip of Richard doing that. We've also been working on the decals for the whole machine, so we've got a little bit of personal touches on there as well, so we're looking forward to being able to put them on and get everything back together. So from next week we will be reassembling the machine and making sure it all works, if I can remember how it goes. Luckily, might have taken some photos and a bit of video footage, I don't know, maybe. That's pretty much all we've got to show you for this week for part 4. Next week, we're going to start putting it all back together again, which is just so exciting. Really looking forward to it. We're going to start by putting all the bits together that I've taken apart off camera, so we're going to get all that back together, so hopefully the video isn't too long of me trying to scratch my head and work out where everything went, because I'm going to have to refer to my photos quite a bit, because, well, that was like 3 weeks ago when I've done that. But anyway, we're going to start building it in episode 5, so we will see you then. Please subscribe to our channel, wherever that is, little button down here somewhere, and follow us on Facebook. No, hang on, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and yeah, subscribe. 3 things. Love for you to do it. Thanks very much. See you in episode 5.